Hi, my name is Michael and I'm working as a welding specialist at Miegttronik. Today I'm going to talk about our software-based welding program as we call PowerArc Pulse. It is a welding program for gaining speed when welding in pulse mode. A lot of companies are focusing on how to optimize their production. It could be you're welding with solid wires, maybe in spray arc area where you experience that you put a lot of heat into the material and you get a lot of post-treatment in form of spatter on the materials. So this means you use a lot of unnecessary time. It could also be that you're welding in pulse mode, but the old way of welding in pulse mode, that means it takes a lot of time. It's a slow process, provides the material with a lot of heat. So in this case, we have this opportunity for you to weld faster. Pulse welding is about estimate how much energy you need in order to provide the material with one droplet. It requires a lot of amps over a short period of time, and the amount of voltage and the wire speed has to be in cohesion. It's an add-on on the area as we call short arc circuit, so that means you get spatter-free welds. So our PowerArc Pulse is the new way of welding in pulse mode. We have a fixed frequency. We have done something in our software that creates a lot of pressure on the arc. So that means the wire speed has increased, the voltage has been lowered. So that's why you can gain some speed welding in our PowerArc Pulse. So with our PowerArc Pulse, you can gain some speed, you get lower heat input, you get a lower post-treatment, increased productivity, and with all these benefits, you get a more competitive company. So now we have heard about our PowerArc Pulse function. Let's go in the workshop and see how it works and how to set up the machine. Welcome to our workshop. I'll now demonstrate and show you how easy it is to find our function PowerArc Pulse, and then I will show you how to weld with it. I will now show you how easy it is to find our PowerArc Pulse function. It is a software-based solution, so that means you have to have license in order to get it active. You find our icon for the torch, where you can see an arc, press, and if you have the license, it will appear on the screen. PowerArc Pulse, you activate it, and then you can see on the main screen that you have activated the PowerArc Pulse function. First, you need to find our amperage depending on the thickness and the job you have to do. You can adjust the voltage if you need. So easy to set up the machine for PowerArc Pulse, and then you're ready to go. Now the machine is set up, I'll now demonstrate how fast PowerArc Pulse is compared to the old traditional pulse. So where can we use our PowerArc Pulse function? It can be used in any type of materials, that means mild steel, stainless steels or aluminum. It can be used for almost any type of positioning welding except the PF position, vertical up, because we don't have the opportunities to manipulate with our current. All types of joints, all material thicknesses for manual welding or especially maybe also automated solutions. So what type of segment can benefit on our PowerArc Pulse? It can be used for all types of industries, onshore, offshore, stainless industries, aluminum industries, mild steel. It can be used in all thicknesses. It can be used especially if you weld a lot of meters per day. So the more you weld, the more you save. So to summarize our PowerArc Pulse function, you can increase your speed. So that means you get a lower heat input. It can be used in all types of materials. It can be used for almost all welding positions except the PF position. It can be used in all types of joints. And then it's so simple to use. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.